The puzzle, alphabet puzzle. Okay, Mama first. Okay, Mama first. Alright, Mama first. This is letter C. I put the letter C here. I put the letter C. Alright, Eliana. Eliana's turn. What letter is that? Letter? D. Okay, you put in letter D. Okay, next. What letter is that? Z. Very good. You did a good job. And next letter? Next letter, Eliana. What? Wow! You did a good job. My goodness. You did a good job. Next letter? Next letter, anak. Oh, what letter is that? Wow, it's letter I. See, guys? Did you see that? Letter I? Okay, next one. What letter is that? U. See, guys, oh, letter U. And what? Next one, what letter? What letter? Next one. Oh, is it? Ellie can finish it. Okay. I do it. Mama will do it also. Okay, this one. Mama, this one is letter N. Oh my God. Good job, Mama. And Eliana's turn. What letter is that? Oh my God. See, guys? Letter S. Oh my God. Okay. Next letter. What letter is that? What letter is that? V is for violin. Very good. You did a good job. Okay, next letter, Ellie. Next letter. Next letter. What letter is that? Oh, put the letters here. Okay. Oh, Mama's turn. Okay, this is letter H. I put the letter H here. Where is the letter H? Where is the letter H? What letter is that? H. Okay. Oh, Ellie, next letter. What letter is that? What letter is that? What letter is that? A. All right. You did a good job. Next one. What letter? What letter is that? X. Oh my God. You did a good job. And then next letter. Next letter. Next letter. J. Good job. Oh, see? She can do the puzzle. Okay. Okay, what letter is that? B. Okay. Good job. You did a great job, or Ellie. Okay, okay. I do it. What letter is that next? R. See, guys, it's letter R. She knew it. Oh my God. You did a good job, Ellie. Oh, come on. Next letter. What letter is that? Wow, it's letter F. F is for? F is for? And what letter is that? P. And then, what letter is that? What letter is that? What letter is that? Napagod na siya. G. My goodness, very good. And that, what letter is that? What letter is that? Q. Very, hina ng boses. And what letter is that? L. Good job, Ellie. And more? There's more there? There's more there? Okay. There's more. That's in the yellow color. What letter is that? What? T. Alright. And where's the other color? Here. What letter is this? E. Good job, Ellie. You did a good job. And then there's more here. What letter is that? K. See, guys? Oh, very good, Ellie. You did a great job. Clap your hands. Wow. Very good. Guys, Ellie can identify the colors and the shapes. Okay, Ellie, start with this. What shape is this? Circle. And the circle is what color? What color of the circle? That's what color? Red. Okay, you're done with that. Okay, what shape is this? Red, the color. And the shape? What shape is this? Oh, square. Good job. And this one, what shape is this? What shape? This one? Triangle. You did a good job. And this one, what shape is this? What shape? What shape is this? This one. Ay, baby girl, what shape is this? Listen to Mama. What shape is this? Oh, Mama first. Okay, Mama. This one is color yellow. Good job, Mama. And this one, Ellie can identify the shape. What shape is this? What shape? Are you listening, Ellie? Di na siya nag... What shape is this? Star. Okay. Star. No shape anymore. Only the 4 shapes. And this color, what color is this? What color? Yes, what color is this? Yellow. And this one, what color is this? Orange. Good job. And this one, what color? What color is this? Green. And this one, last one, what color is this? No? Your favorite color? Blue. You did a good job, Ellie.